Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing multiplication on the Abacus. This is advanced techniques and exercises of multiplication, fourth episode, and this is third series, and one more episode we left. Then we are going to be mastered on multiplication on the Abacus. Okay, so hope you know all the techniques of multiplication, basic techniques. Hope you know how to do addition on the Abacus, and hope you know all the basic information about Abacus. Okay, so without that you cannot do multiplication. Okay, for multiplication you should know how to do addition, and for the division you should know how to do subtraction. Okay, so let's start. Our first question is, today first time I'm going to multiply 4 digits multiply by 2 digits. Okay, let's start. 37 multiply by 7 3 6 2. It's a long digit. Let me fix this camera. Okay, now it's okay. So let's start. You have to count all the digits in the question. 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. Start from this rod. This is my marked rod. Okay, so let's start. 3 sevens are 21. This is your tens position. After every answer you have to change your position. 3 threes are 9. You have one digit, it means you have to put 0 in front of it. 0 and 9. Change. 3 6 are 1 8 18. For 1, I am going to reduce this 9 and borrow this 10. This is how to borrow 10 for the addition technique. And 8 goes to this rod. Change. 3 2s are 6, 0 and 6. Okay, and change. We finish 3. Remaining are 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. Starting from this rod. 7 sevens are 49. For 4, I am going to borrow this 5 and reduce 1. This is how to borrow 5 for the addition. Okay, and 9, just place all these bears. And next, 7 threes are 21. For 2, I'm reducing this 8 and borrow this 1 and 1 here. Change. 7 6 are 42. For 4, I am reducing 6 and borrow this 1 and 2 here. And change. Last one, 7 2s are 14. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Change. We finished digits and we finished the rod. We came to the marked rod. Means we have our answer. 100,000 rod. 2, 10,000 rod. 7,000 rod. 2, 100 rod. 3, tens rod. 9 and ones rod. 4 is your answer. Let's move to another question. 63 multiply 8 0 0 3. Okay, let's go. 6 digits starting from this rod. 6 8s are 4 8 48. Move. 6 0 means 0, nothing to do, but don't forget to move your pointer finger. 6 0 means 0, nothing to do again. And 6 threes are 18. 1 8 18. Okay, and change. We finish 6. Next is 3. So 5 digits here. 1 2 3 4 5. Start from this rod. 3 8s are 24. Means for 2 I am reducing this 1 and borrow this 5, reduce this 4. This is 4-step addition and subtraction technique. And 4 goes to this rod. Okay, change. 3 0 means 0, nothing to do. 3 0 means 0, nothing to do. And 3 threes are 9. Means you have to put 0 in front of 9 because 9 is only one digit answer. 0 and 9. Okay, and change. We came to this marked rod, means finished, and we have our answer. Answer is 100,005, 10,000 0, 1000 rod 4, 100 rod 1, tens rod 8, and ones rod 9. 504189 is your answer. One more last question. 4 8 multiplied by 5 1 5 1. 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. 4 5s are 22 0 20. Move. 4 1 is 4 0 4. Move. 4 5s are 22 0 20. To add 2 here, borrow this 5 and reduce 3 and 0 20. Move. 4 1 is 0 4. Okay. So, and move your finger. We finished 4 here. Next is 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. This is starting from here. 8 5s are 4 0 40. 4 and 0. Move. 8 1 is 8 0 8. 8 here. Since 8 5s are 4 0 40. For 4 reduce 6 and borrow this 1 0. Move. 8 1 is 8 0 8. Okay, and move. We came to this marked rod, means it's finished. Our answer is 100,000 2, 10,000 4, 1,000 7, 100 2, tens 4, ones 8. 247 248 is your answer. On the screen there are some more exercises. Please try to do that, and if you have trouble, please comment me. I will solve that. And for the direct communicate with me, you have to follow my Facebook page. Link is in the description box. You can message me from there. I will definitely answer that. And please do not comment on my English language. I am not a native speaker of English. And episodes are in 4 different languages: English, Nepali, Hindi and Japanese. So please choose your language, choose your playlist and try to do that. Okay, so see you in next episode. Ta-ta.